Hey chemistry students, and welcome to a tutorial on the average atomic mass. Today we're going to calculate the average atomic mass given a certain element A, which consists of 3 different isotopes. Now remember, with isotopes, it's an atom that has a different number of neutrons. And because of that, it affects the mass number. Remember, mass number is protons plus neutrons. So in this example, we have element A. And element A has 3 different isotopes, A40, A45, and A35. Now, because of their abundances, or how they occur naturally in nature, we have to do a weighted average. Note that this is not an even percentage for each one. A40 exists 50% of the time, A45 has an abundance of 25, and A35 has an abundance of 25 as well. So we have to take this into consideration and do a weighted average. So when we start, I'm going to open my parentheses, and I'm going to put the mass of the first isotope, which is 40, and I'm going to multiply that by its percent abundance, but I'm going to turn that percentage into a decimal by moving my decimal place 1, 2 places to the left. So 40 times 0.50 or 0.5. Now I'm going to add that and do the same thing for the remaining 2 isotopes. So A45, its mass number is 45. And I'm going to multiply it by its percent abundance, but I'm going to turn that to a decimal. So 0.25. I'm going to add and do the same thing for the last one. So A35 has a mass of 35 and an abundance of 0.25. Now I'm going to plug all these into my calculator and solve. And when I do, the average atomic mass is 40 AMU. Right, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask me in class, and I suggest you go on and continue practicing.